India's freedom struggle. The Khasi Hills District Council has declared that it will no longer authorize groups to campaign against beef consumption in the state. This move follows plans by the Gau Dhwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra group to protect cow and to deem it sacred on 2nd October 2024. Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh Saim stated that the council will inform the state government and local authorities to reject such initiatives. Saim underscored that beef is a traditional staple in Khasi culture and external groups should not impose their dietary practices on the region.
Kunjo baka district council nangni shakman ka kham persya yakinu nuki kenhon lani kibriu kibawan ban yalap ban khang bam do masi hangni pori jungi dangshen lai i yakawe ka kenhon kaba tip kum ka gau patishta kaba lawan bandrung hangni po jela jungi ban sedang ban yalap yakani te nakalyang jungi nilapan kre ka jingtho shaka state government babaro ki district administration kin te lakam ya kum kini ki kenhon ni ki breu ki ba wan yalap